Hello guys, this is Niederwolstadt, just 20 kilometers away from Frankfurt. This is where currently I am staying. This is a very beautiful place. It's a clean village. You can see the scenario, and this is a sunny day. So everyone is out with their kids and they are enjoying the Sunday. Yeah, thank you.